What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing another installation from old to new, to lesser quality and price to higher quality and price. So these are universal side skirts from eBay. They're 3 pieces, so 1, 2, and 3. And the thing I don't like about these side skirts, they're the perfect length, but they do have a slight wave to them, and it bothers the hell out of me. Like, you can see it in pictures, in person. When it gets too hot, it waves even a little bit more. So I hate that about this side skirt. So to match with everything else, it's a little bit more expensive on the car. We're gonna go ahead and go to Maxton design side skirts specifically for the Audi A5 B8.5. So with these side skirts, they're a lot more sturdy, they don't bend, and they're also just one giant piece, and they're made specifically for this car. So if you try to look these side skirts up on any website, they're on back order to like September, August, November, whenever. But there was one website that I did find that had these side skirts. I believe these ones were like $210 around there. But I found one website that had them. I'll go ahead and put the link down below. They were able to get it to me in less than a week. So let me go ahead and put that down below. So I haven't opened them up yet. I've been waiting for this video, and I need time to go ahead and do this because I'm tired of these side skirts and them in pictures, and they just don't look good, and it's throwing off my car a little bit too off, and it looks a little bit weird and janky. So I want to go ahead and do something a little bit better. So let me go ahead and cut them up, and I'll show you guys what it looked like. Let's open up the top part, and I can already tell I like it because they have self-tappers. I don't like other screws that come with like other things because it's hard to drill into body parts of cars and people think it's really easy, but self-tappers are like the best invention ever, and I'm glad this comes with self-tappers, and also comes with a cool sticker. Cool. So let me go ahead and get the rest open, and I'll go ahead and show you guys all that comes in it. Alright, so I went ahead and took off all the plastic on it, and they do have a protective plastic coating, so you're gonna have to wait and take that off last, but that's pretty cool. There's a little Maxton design sticker on there. And these look like they're specifically made for your car, because with these ones, they're just flat and they just go on there, and try your best to make them look even, but it's still like really hard. Sorry, I had to go ahead and douse myself in bug spray because in Houston, what are they called? Wow. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, these are made for your car. So this is a perfect indentation because it's gonna go under your car for the Audis. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like under the car once I have it lifted up in the air, and I'll show you guys what these look like. But yeah, guys, hopefully these fit a lot better, and the fitment is good, just like I've been having on other parts that are on the car. And I'll let you guys know if it's really worth spending the extra money for a part like this. So I'm gonna show you guys what the side skirts look like from down here. So this is how they're attached with these little screws. I did have some self taps in there, but it's just some screws. And as you can see, let me see, hold on. They're pretty wobbly on there because they don't have anywhere to grab onto. So let's see where these new side screws grab onto, because I'm not sure yet. So let's see if they hope they do better than that. But as you can see, they're kind of like, it's hard to get them flat, and sometimes if you put the screw in a little bit too out, this goes like this, and you can see the screw from like under the car whenever you're driving. So yeah, they're a pain in the ass to put on, and they don't look that great anymore after a while. It starts to get all bendy. You see that? It's bendy. That's not from the jack. That's actually just a bend in the side skirt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get the side skirt off, take it off. It's just bolts and screws. I don't need to show y'all that, but let me go ahead and start on that, and then after that, we'll go ahead and get on this. Alright, y'all, so it's on currently, as you can see. The installation process, I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys what to do because it's just screwing bolts one by one. But let me go ahead and show you guys from under the car what it looks like. So all you're going to do is line it up. So there's a curved edge, and it's going to line up to the curve of your car. So under there, you're going to start putting in your self-tap screws one by one. I went ahead and like lined them up really, really close. It comes with, I believe, what is it, like 10 on each side. So just go ahead and use all of them. So that's what it looks like under your car. And if you're not used to drilling on your car, you're gonna have to get used to it. They all went in pretty easy. They're all self taps on there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side, guys. This isn't really an install video because like you guys should know how to use a drill and just drill into your own car. Other than that, I like how they look. They're pretty sturdy. They're more sturdy than the other ones I had on there. Hopefully when I lay the car down, it looks really good and it's not like uneven or anything like that. This is what it looks like now. Looks a lot more even. It looks a lot better. Just one piece. Goes more with the car, and also the front lip. It doesn't have that swoosh on the side. It looks a lot more clean. And the other side, I'll show you guys what that looks like. Kind of looks like that. So in knowing camera, probably you can't really tell, but I can. There's a bit more curves. When it gets really hot, this plastic isn't as thick, so it tends to do a lot of waves, and I just didn't like that. And it's 3 pieces, so you can kind of see where it breaks off, but the 1-piece design just looks a lot more better. It looks really good. And yeah, man, I'm happy with this. 210 bucks, worth it. So I just finished putting on the side skirts on this side, and let's go to the other side. It's on as well, as you can see. Looks pretty good. That waviness is completely gone on it. I like it a whole lot better. It looks a lot cleaner. And while I'm at it, I think it took me maybe an hour and a half, maybe, just the lifting of the car and all that, putting it together. But then again, I was filming some of the time, but it took me around an hour to do the whole installation. And it was pretty easy. It's just bolts. And while we're at it, check these out. If my camera can get them. They're AUDI, like, they're called like tire caps, you know. They're pretty cool. They look like carbon fiber, and this ain't AUDI. So I'll put these in the description as well. I think they just match up with the car. So these are pretty cool. What's up, guys? Alright, so I made this video a while back. As you can see, I have different wheels. The car looks a little bit different. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the side skirts that are on it. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while, but catching up over the holidays and stuff like that. But I do have a couple more videos coming up soon. Just about the car related things. So I hope y'all like it. I wasn't able to make an outro for this video. I don't know what happened exactly, but alright, guys, until next time, peace. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. It does help out the channel a lot. I got more content coming out just due to the holidays and stuff like that. I haven't been able to post, and this year my resolution is to post more and take YouTube a little bit more serious. Alright, guys, until next time, peace.